Alrighty.
Okay, it should be broadcasting. I wonder if he got the link. Oh, there we go.
Sweet.
Yes.
All right.
Oh, there we go.
So let's see. If I remember correctly, for these weekly meetings, we just need to go over one of the topics for the week. One of the preparation activities. One of the daily activities, right?
Yeah, I think so. Are we gonna do something? Do we need to do something from week 4 because this is the week 4 meeting?
Yes. If we're gonna turn in week 4s, then we should do something from week 4.
Okay.
At the very least, it should be pretty quick, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, let me look. You want to just go over Friday's
Sounds good.
prep?
Well,
Sounds good. Yeah.
Okay, I'll pull up the. She has like plans depending on which day you're gonna do.
Oh. Where do we find that?
It's under.
There it is.
Yeah.
Group 4 meeting agenda.
Okay, remember the goals of your group meeting are to help inspire another. Allow time to address questions anyone may have from earlier assignments and or to prepare for an upcoming quiz or exam. Okay, so let's just go ahead and go over the activity. What is it?
The log and
Exponential derivatives application.
yeah, there we go.
Okay. So should we just start with number 1?
Probably the best place to start.
Do you have it up, Keegan?
I am looking at it. You guys keep cutting out.
Oh. I think we're gonna do week 4, day 5 prep assignment.
Okay, just the activity.
Yeah, just the activity.
Is not very good, so.
No, you're good.
Oh, I see it. Gotcha.
Okay, number 1 says find a linearization of y equals e to the power of x at the point 0, 1, and use it to find an approximation to the value of e to the power of 0.01. Okay, so we just need to find the derivative, right?
Yeah, the derivative of e to the x.
Wait, what did you say, Donovan?
So the derivative of e to the x should be x over or e over x, isn't it? I have a hard time remembering some of the formulas.
Yeah, I think that okay, I think that the derivative of e to the power of x is e to the power of x.
Oh, I think you might be right.
If I'm remembering correctly, but all those rules like get really confused in my head.
I think so too.
I'm gonna pull up this rules page that I found.
I believe you're right.
Okay, so then that means that L of x, the linearization is equal to f prime of x times x minus x aught, right? Plus y aught, I think. It's just the equation of the tangent line, right?
I believe so. Linearization is something that I do not have down.
Okay, I think it's, if you can see this, I think that's the equation for it.
Okay. Oh. Yeah, I remember what you're talking about now.
And so, we have to find the different variables, but it gives us the point 0, 1, so we can plug that in. So really, all we needed was the derivative of x, which is the slope, or derivative of y. So then the linearization should equal e to the power of x times x minus 0 plus 1. I'm pretty sure. So I don't exactly know how to do that part. Let me.
X plus 1, X is E.
Oh. Okay,
Oh.
so she has the key,
Mhm.
and so she's saying that y prime is equal to 1.
At x equals 0, yes.
Because it should be rounded to 0. Like the 0.01 is close enough to 0. See.
Oh, okay.
And so at that point, we
Y
have to
prime equals 1?
yes.
Okay.
So that means that we know that the slope is 1.
Yes.
Yeah.
And then,
So all we have to do for finding linear that thing would be y minus a point of y equals the slope times x minus a point of x.
yes.
So at that point, we just have to fill it in.
Yeah, I think so. And so then you end up with your linearization is equal to x plus 1. And then you plug in 0.01 for that x.
Because we know that that's what the x is at that point that we want.
Yes.
Okay, I see how they did that.
So basically, what you did, and the TA explained this to me, linearization, the whole point is you take a point that's really close and you find the equation of the tangent line of that point that's very close but easy to calculate. And then you use that line to give you the other point. So if you had the x, you want the y. If you have the y, you want the x. use that line to find your other point at whatever weird point it is that you rounded from, because it's going to be so close, and it's just an estimation.
Hmm.
Okay.
So it's going to equal about, equal 1.01, y equals 1.01, which is equal to e to the power of
0.01.
0.01. Okay, so let's go ahead and try the second problem.
That's funny. She has an error. That's okay. In the
Where? In the key?
Yeah. Not important. Doesn't affect the answer.
Oh,
Cool.
okay. The Elk-Jordan National Park has been infected by contagious disease. The number of infected animals is estimated by N of t is equal to 600 over 1 plus 49 e to the negative 0.36 r, where t is the number of days after the disease was discovered. How fast is the disease spreading after 4 days? So first, so we have N of t is equal to 600. So we need to make sure that everything's like not being divided or anything. So you just make
The power of -1.
This is one of the reasons I never liked calculus. It starts to get gross at this point as you're approximating.
Yeah. And my math lab doesn't like it if you get the wrong, like, approximate. Like, you have to be spot on.
Yeah, you have to pay very close attention to exactly what the approximation is. They don't
Yeah.
always do it well either.
Yeah. Oh, we lost Catherine. Okay.
That's pretty impressive considering she's hosting it.
Yeah. And these video conferences, they always are messy.
I never had too much trouble myself, but
Yeah.
I don't know.
Like yesterday, and it was not good.
Alrighty. Well, so to get this to work, basically what this problem boils down to is 600 times 1 plus 49. Oh, she's calling us again? That's weird.
Okay.
What if we decline that call and invite her to ours? That might be better. Since we're recording this one, you know?
Yeah.
Let's see.
I don't know. It doesn't matter as long as we have the link for it. So
It's true, but I thought that if we hung up on this, it'll end up finishing this video, and so we'd end up having 2 different videos, right?
yeah, it'll finish it.
Yeah, so we don't want to do that if we can avoid it at least. There. I used to know how to add people.
Let's see. Screen share, showcase, Q&A, apps.
Maybe I don't know how to do it in this one.
Yeah.
Because it's different.
I
Alrighty.
think we're gonna have to.
Yeah, have her call again.
Yeah. Can you? Let me see if I can still accept it. Okay, I'm gonna try and swap over. Okay, agreed. Okay, I'm gonna swap over to the other call, Donovan.
Okay, if you could tell her to send me an invite then, because I declined it and I can't find it again. Or, never mind.